Hi, I'm Rachel from Blooming Artificial, and this video is all about building your own maintenance-free hedging. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and if you have any questions, you can always get in touch with our team. What you'll need: a frame for your hedge, artificial foliage mats, a staple gun, drill or cable ties, scissors, wood preservative, and some wood stain, optional. Step 1. When building your hedge, you'll need to begin with a frame of some sort. We use a specially treated wooden frame for all of our hedging, with a removable panel where you can add some extra weight in the trough to keep it stable. If you want to use several hedge panels and push them together, we recommend leaving one side of your trough empty where they'll join. Step 2. Once your frame is ready, you'll need to choose the right foliage for your hedge. It's best to use a foliage that has been treated for UV protection to stop it from turning an ugly shade of blue in the sun. I'm using our boxwood mat, which you can find on the website, and it is safe to use in the sun, rain, even snow. The nice part about this mat is there's two different types, the top mat and the side mat. The top mat, as you can see, has all of the foliage pointing straight outwards, whereas the side mat, the foliage points out at an upwards angle. If you're using our hedging mats, you want to mount the side matting to the side of your frame and the top matting to the top of your frame. When used together like this, it will look more realistic, as if your foliage is growing in its natural direction. Step 3. Start by mounting your foliage mats to your wooden frame. We like to use a staple gun for this, but you could also use cable ties or drill your mats directly into the frame or surface using a few screws. Should you need to, you can cut your mats to size using a good pair of scissors. You should start to see your hedge taking shape like this, and you can just continue adding the foliage. If you're looking to push a few hedges together in a row, you'll need to leave one side of the hedge empty where the frames join, so that there's a seamless run of foliage. Step 4. Once all your foliage is on, go around and look for any sparse gaps around the edges or corners. If you have some spare foliage, you can take your scissors, snip off a piece and attach it to your frame to fill any empty spaces. When you're finished, your hedge should look something like this. You can then move it into place, add any weight to the trough, and you're done. If you're thinking though, this is all a bit too much effort, we do offer a fully complete hedge panel just like this in various sizes on our website, which we can deliver directly to your home or office. As always, if there's any questions, we're happy to help. Thanks for watching.